Rang Panchami is celebrated on the 5th day of the second fortnight in the month of Phalgun, known as the Krishna Panchami. It is celebrated mostly in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and some parts of North India. While Holi, as a festival of colors, is more popular, Rang Panchami is still celebrated in the rural areas with great enthusiasm. It is believed that the fire in Holika Dahan destroys the negative elements and invokes the deities in the form of vibrant colors. Rang Panchami, therefore, is worshipping the gods as saviors. Playing with colors is a way of celebrating the victory over the rajas-tamas elements. In Maharashtra, this festival is celebrated by the fishermen with great zeal, and the festivities include singing, dancing, and merrymaking. We pray that the festival brings to you the blessings of all the deities and wish you a life which is resplendent with the beauty of vibrant colors.